Hey guys, it's Steve, and we've been asked a number of times for a simple and short brochure that could be used at the kitchen table to help you in your sales process. We put this together to help explain the benefits of the Heat Tape Pro system, including things like the 10-year warranty, key features, and differences between professional self-regulating cable and cheaper alternatives. It appears that my AI prompting skills need some work. To get your customized brochure, just drop us an email with the exact information you would like shown here. From there, we will send you a print-ready PDF that you can send to your friendly local printer with instructions like that you want it printed on a 100-pound cover stock with matte finish. Yes, thicker paper is going to add a little cost, but you already sell the best cable. Why not have the best brochure? If you're going for an A plus and you want to send us your logo files, we're happy to place them into a custom PDF for you as well. Print up about 100 of these and leave one behind after each of your cable meetings. Good luck and happy selling!